future trends happening between sort of AR, VR, and on the longer lens a little bit around 3D printing, we're going to be living in more of a multi-dimensional world. So we're just looking at how we can more quickly kind of jumpstart and help people move in that direction. 3D as a content type, as a medium, is more expressive. And so if we can enable people to access that easily, then I think there's a lot of opportunity for people to do richer, more creative, compelling, more comprehensive things. And so we want to see what we can do to make that approachable. When people first download some of the software, it is an ecosystem effort, so just make sure that I caveat there's several pieces that we'll be rolling out, but specifically to Paint as kind of a beginner step. Anyone can download Paint, and then what we've done is we've integrated our 3D community with Paint, so it becomes very easy to just add an already created 3D object and then just kind of remix it, change it around a little bit, make it your own, personalize it. We're gonna start by launching on Windows Phone. So imagine you wanted to storytell around, a range of things, especially things that are more complex and multidimensional, where you want to kind of get around an item to be able to storytell or illustrate with it, or maybe even add a little bit more in animation to enhance that. Very powerful. People spend a lot of time capturing photos and videos because they're either sentimental things that they experienced or people that they care about. We have a lot of the same sentiment and attachment to things, but we don't have some of the same preservation tools. So being able to, capture some of those things that might be more temporary and preserve those, over our lifetime. It's like my daughters come home and they make those little silly rocks. And imagine if I'd been able to save my little silly rock I made when I was a similar age and I could somehow share that with them. That would be something that we think is going to be interesting towards in the future.